Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to transfer reporting relationship from one manager to another. Before login into PromptHR, please check you must be having rights to access this option. Please check Transfer Reporting Relationship submenu under Personnel menu. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Personnel from your left-hand side menu. Click on Transfer Reporting Relationship. Types are given here, which type reporting relationship you want to change, select that. For example, I want to change first level manager / direct manager / supervisor, so selected supervisor option. Select name of the manager from the list. Enter effective date, from which date this change will effective. Then click Go button, and here you will see the list of employee or employees who are reporting to the person selected above, here. Select the name of the employees, whom you want to map with another manager. You can select all using this option, but I want to map only these with another manager. Select another manager here from the list. If you do not find manager name in this list, it means you have not assigned managerial rights to him/her as manager. For knowing this how to make an employee a manager, please watch the video, link given in the description box. Well, now submit, and reporting relationship has been changed. You can see changes here.